Come test drive the 2026 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, LED headlights, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, power lift gate, lane departure warning, stability control, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system. Experience the perfect harmony of